Mesh Computers ASUS Vivobook 15x1500EA Review. Introducing the Mesh Computers ASUS Vivobook 15x1500EA, a sleek and powerful 15.6-inch Full HD laptop. The ASUS Vivobook 15x1500EA, as configured by Mesh Computers, presents itself as a compelling option for users seeking a budget-friendly laptop without compromising on essential features. With its sleek design and a focus on core performance, this laptop aims to cater to students, professionals, and casual users alike. Powered by the Intel Pentium Gold 7505 processor, it offers efficient performance with 2 cores and 4 threads. Enjoy smooth visuals with the integrated Intel UHD graphics, perfect for everyday tasks and entertainment. The Vivobook 15 boasts a 15.6-inch Full HD display, offering decent visuals for everyday tasks and multimedia consumption. While it might not be the most vibrant or color-accurate panel on the market, it's sufficient for most users. The bezels surrounding the display are relatively slim, contributing to a modern aesthetic. Multitask effortlessly with 8GB of DDR4 SODIMM RAM, ensuring seamless performance for all your applications. Under the hood, the Intel Pentium Gold processor, paired with a generous amount of RAM, up to 20GB, ensures smooth multitasking and handling of productivity applications. Everyday tasks like browsing the web, word processing, and video conferencing are handled effortlessly. However, demanding applications or resource-intensive software might push the system's limits. Store all your important files and documents on the fast 256GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. Experience the latest features and security with Windows 11 Pro 64-bit pre-installed on your device. The silver finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish choice for both work and play. Stay productive and connected with a range of ports and connectivity options. The ASUS Vivobook 15x1500EA is your ideal companion for both professional and personal use. The Mesh Computers ASUS Vivobook 15x1500EA is an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable and budget-friendly laptop for general computing needs. It offers a good balance of performance, storage, and design, making it suitable for students, professionals, and home users. While it might not be the most powerful laptop on the market, it excels in delivering a smooth and efficient computing experience without breaking the bank. Rated 4 stars. Order today for £249.